Welcome to Hub Synergy Point, which is in the Shenton Way vicinity. It is within walking distance to Tanjong Pagar MRT. There are hub suites with ample natural lighting. This modern co-working space has an executive lounge and at least 6 conference rooms across 2 levels. It has been thoughtfully designed for versatility with pantry area, working pods, co-working space, and private offices. Office space ranges from 1,239 square feet right up to 7,233 square feet. Inspired by the iconic Central Park, New York, the Hub Gardens is where one can come to connect others or within. Workspaces, seating pods, and a media wall are available for solo or group sessions. There is even a bicycle station, shower facilities, and a locker room. Thinking of unwinding after a hard day's work? There's a rooftop bar and lounge with unhindered sea views. If you would like to know more or would like to arrange for a viewing, call Sylvia at 88585023.